A bee that protects your property. Your phone now can unlock and lock your front door. Guys, I'm gonna share with you my top 3 from CES 2020 today. So don't go away and stay with me. Hello, it's me Michelle, and today I'm back at it again with the 5th episode of MLM, Monday Logins with Michelle, where we bring to you all the latest tech news from last week. I just came back from Langkawi, and during my time there, I saw a lot of telco promoting 5G. So I was very curious and went online and searched and found out that our Prime Minister actually officiated 5G demo projects in Langkawi on January 19. Malaysia is set to roll out 5G technology project in the 3rd quarter of this year, but consumers like you and me, we can only enjoy the technology in 2023. It is said that the deployment of 5G is going to create 39,000 job opportunities to those who need a job like you. Other than that, it will also contribute 12.7 billion to our nation's economy. Malaysians, are you proud? Because Malaysia will be one of the first few countries in Asia to successfully roll out 5G. Every night I must eat supper, but every night I'm very lazy to make supper because it's nighttime already. Who still want to do work But what if I tell you can now have your do-it-all in one countertop chef? She is always in a good mood, and 24/7 she's ready to serve you delicious food. That's right, Julia is a product by Cooking Pal. She can chop, mix, blend, knead, wait, boil, emulsify, steam, grind, grate, whisk, and cook for you. She comes with a smart display that includes a recipe book and controls for you to key in settings so she knows what you like and what you don't like in order to prepare your meals for you. All you need to do is throw in the ingredients, select your recipe, and you're good to go. She will gulp them all. I know monitoring your food can be a very time-consuming process because you have to physically be there to make sure your kitchen doesn't burn down and make sure your food is edible. So with Chef Julia, you don't have to worry about that anymore because all you need to do is put the ingredients into her, select the recipe, and with your mobile phone, you can monitor the whole cooking process. How freaking amazing is that? Also, Chef Julia is perfect for lazy people like you and me. Why do I say so? It's because you can put the whole thing into a dishwasher and wash it. You don't have to manually use a sponge and clean it with soap. Well, if you don't have a dishwasher, don't worry also, because Chef Julia is a big girl, she knows how to clean herself. You just need to give her dish soap and also water. Husbands, if your wives ever merajuk and tell you, I don't want to cook for you anymore my whole life lah, well, you tell her, never mind, I got Julia. And Julia is very cheap, starting at only 1,100 USD. You ask yourself lah, maintain your wife more expensive or just get Julia? If you're like me, always asking myself, did I lock the front door or not? I don't remember, and there's no one home to lock my front door for me now. How Now, there's a smart lock that runs on Wi-Fi that ensures your house is safe, nobody can break in while you're outside. It is the Wi-Fi Smart Lock by August. You can connect the lock to your smartphone or smartwatch to lock or unlock your front door from wherever the hell you are as long as you have the app installed. You can remotely let your mother enter your house to clean your house for you, or use it to lock the door if your forgetful mother forgot to lock it when she leaves. Other than that, you can also use your voice to control the door. So you can just say, hello, it's me, and it will open the door for you already. If you're very lazy to set up voice controller, don't worry, it has geofencing. So you can detect if you're nearby, and if you're nearby, it will unlock the door for you lor. Girls, now you don't have to worry about digging your bag for keys anymore because I know how troublesome and difficult that can be. After you connected your smart lock to your phone, you can ask your phone questions like this. Siri, my front door, locked or not? No, it's not locked or missed. Wah, not locked straight away locked lah, wait what? So convenient, everything done on the phone. But then there's also a function called the auto lock function that will secure your door after a specific amount of time. If me, I'll set it to 3 minutes. Why? I'm super forgetful and I don't want anything to happen. The lock is super easy to install. According to the website, you just need 10 minutes if you understand ABC. This one here I'm going to talk about is a very atas toy, and atas toy is only for atas people, boy. It is the Sunflower Home Awareness System. It oversees your property, protecting your home autonomously. It comes with a drone, outdoor lamps, and a charging station for the drone known as the bee, the sunflowers, and the hive respectively. First of all, the bee is a drone that will never ever fly away from your house. It can take pictures and videos at full HD, and if you have friends over for a barbecue, don't worry, you can use this drone to take pictures and videos too. Secondly, we have the sunflowers. Sunflowers are like garden lamps where you install them outdoor to detect motion and vibration within a 20-foot radius. The best part is you can change the lights of these sunflowers according to your mood. If you want to bring your girlfriend home, don't don't worry, you just change them to any color that suits the mood. Lastly, the Hive is not just a waterproof casing that houses or charges the bee, but it also acts as the brain for the whole system. You can use the Sunflower app on your phone anywhere around the world to monitor your property. You can receive alert, view a heat map of activity, and even deploy your drone in seconds so that you can watch a live footage of your property. You see this car driving into the driveway, right? Look at how the lights detect movement. It then triggers the drone to fly to capture the surroundings and send alerts to your mobile phone. If you want to be one of the first in the world to own this drone, right? Just go ahead to their website and pre-order it with a fully refundable fee of $999. Here's a fun one. I'm sure you all know what SpaceX is, right? If you don't know, here's a quick fact. SpaceX is an aerospace manufacturer and space transportation services company founded by Elon Musk in 2002 with the goal to improve the reliability of access to space at a reduced cost. He believes $1,100 per kg to the moon is achievable. Well, I'm 53 kg, so that is around 58,000 USD for my flight ticket to the moon. In September 2018, Elon Musk announced that the first person to take SpaceX's commercial flight to the moon will be Japanese fashion billionaire Maezawa. He didn't just purchase one ticket for himself to fly to the moon, but he purchased multiple tickets for his artist friends and his romantic partner. However, he's 44 this year and he is single. So he did an open application looking for a partner to fly to the moon with him. Wow, can you believe he actually did that? So busy making money, really no time to date one man. He also sold 30% of his stake and resigned as CEO so that he has more time to train and get fit for him to go to the moon. Was his dream to become an astronaut? Well, if I had the financial freedom like he has, I think I want to do extraordinary things also lah. Well girls, if you were single, would you apply to be his romantic partner and fly to the moon with him lah? Today, I have a single lady, Cassie, with me in the studio. Let's hear what she has to say about this. Hi Cassie, welcome to MLM. We are very glad to have you on board because we want some input from a single lady.
Being single is like a hobby. I can do so many extra fun things when I'm single.
Wow, what kind of extra fun things? Does it include traveling to the moon?
Travel to the moon? I haven't done that yet leh. And I'm the most fun person ever leh.
Well, I guess you're not the most fun person ever anymore lor, sorry. Let me ask you 3 questions. 1. Would you date a rich man so that you can enjoy life?
I don't think I need a rich man to enjoy life.
2. Japanese or Malaysian?
That's a good question.
Last question. What do you have to say to women who want to date Maezawa just so that they can also travel to the moon leh?
Speechless. Go to the moon for what? Got good food there meh? Any lang chai opas there? And with my weight, my light, that's half your price. Need meh?
Wait, what do you mean half my price? 找海咯. Go to the moon for what? Guys, would you want to go to the moon provided you have the money? Okay lah, today's MLM 到这里结束. What are your favorite top 3 items from CS 2020? Share with me in the comment section below. My name is Michelle and I'll see you in the next MLM. Bye!